Hello and welcome. I got the newest edition of Metallica Vinyl Club in this box. And if you don't know what Metallica Vinyl Club is, it's a subscription service. It started in 2021. It costs maybe $90 a year plus shipping. They send you 4 vinyl releases of material that's never been issued on vinyl. And the first one I got back in March was Blackened 2020, which included the Blackened 2020s, the remix they did during the great lockdown period of 2020. Includes a live version from a concert in November 2020, All Within My Hands, Helping Hands concert and auction, and a cover of Alice in Chains' Wood. There's the back of it. And what's cool about this is each one is numbered. This is volume 5, number 2841. So what does the month of June bring me? Yeah, this was just arrived about a week ago, and I'm just getting around to see what it is. I have no idea what it is, and here we go. It's St. Anger Live Rarities. St. Anger Live Rarities. Edition number 6, number 3510. This contains live versions, apparently from St. Anger. We got Sweet Amber, live at United Spirit Arena, Lubbock, Texas, September 4th, 2004. The Unnamed Feeling, live at Osaka Joe Hall, Osaka, Japan, November 13th, 2003. Side B is Dirty Window, live at Sydney Entertainment Centre, Sydney, Australia, January 21st, 2004. And Some Kind of Monster, live at Allstate Arena, Chicago, Illinois, August 27th, 2004. And this is interesting. I do not own St. Anger. It's one of 2 Metallica albums I do not own. The other one being Reload. I'm sorry. I do own Load. And so this is kind of cool. And everything on here has never been on vinyl, so these live versions, they probably didn't play very often. I know St. Anger probably wasn't their best seller, but I plan on picking it up, and I plan on picking up Reload. And it's pretty cool. See, Metallica Vinyl Club. And this one, I'm going to open up to see if there's anything extra inside. Give me a second here. Break the seal. Alright, I see extras. Oh, card fell out. Oh, it's a card. I have a code on the back side. I could get digital copies of all these songs. So, this is pretty cool. This is actually really cool. The poster. That is awesome. Got this. Got this. Feels like a. Okay, it's a sleeve. And there's the actual vinyl on the other side. This is pretty cool. Blackened Records, their own record company. so they can do this. And like I said, there's the sleeve. They didn't put it in the sleeve, but the sleeve is available. The cool poster and a little card so I could download all these songs. And so it's a pretty cool pickup. It's a pretty cool service. If you love Metallica, you might want to check this out. Sign-ups are usually at the end of the year, and get 4 albums mailed separately or all at once at the end of the year, save on shipping. And that was the first one of the year. This is the second one of the year. I'll show you what the third one of the year is in 2 or 3 months. So always thank you for watching, and you have a great day.